This is a video to do a C chart. And the data is from supplemental chapter 6, question 23. We have here 5 schools and the number of test errors. And so we can't convert this into a percentage because there isn't the opposite of it, non-test errors. We just have the count that at school A there's 52 test errors, at school B there's 27 test errors. And so we can form a C chart here. And so once again, kind of the basis for all of these, we need to determine the average. So the average count in this case, we'll average these, and we find out that the average count is 42.6, and that'll be the basic premise. So the upper control limit for a C, we start off with the average count, and then you're going to add to that 3 times the square root, QRT, of the average count. So we'll take the square root of that, we'll multiply 3 and add it to that, and so we find out that 62 is our upper control limit, 62 test errors our lower control limit. For a C is start with the average count, and we're going to subtract then 3 times the square root of the average count is 23. So we can go back and check. It doesn't appear that all of these, none of these are out of control. They all fall within reasonable limits. And so for these 5 schools, the system is in control. That's all there is to a C count or a C chart. The formulas will be given you on the formula sheet. So once again, the formula is the average count plus 3 times the square root of the average count. That's your upper control limit, and you just subtract that, the average count minus 3 times the square root of the average count. And that's all there is to a C chart.